Hey guys, WCJ here. Stop talking.
Okay, I thought we were doing it together.
No. Freaking angry. Hey guys, WCJ here, and we're doing a speaker comparison between the U-Boom and the ALTEC ALTEC Jolt.
Okay, so these speakers are both $100 and they're both IPX7 waterproof. So let's start with a water test for both of these speakers.
Dylan. Video. Shoot the video.
No.
6 a.m. right now, guys, and we're about to do the water test between the ALTEC and the U-Boom. It's butt cold, by the way.
It is absolutely freezing right now.
Guys, we're doing a water test right now, so we're going to put both these speakers in the water over here and see if they still work in there.
So the U-Boom does not float, as you can definitely see.
Yeah, I don't know what
It does not play music right now.
Yeah, but as you can see, it still works even out of the water. So the U-Boom definitely passes the water test.
Okay, so on to the ALTEC ALTEC Jolt. It says it is able to float in water. And it works while it's floating in water. It still works great.
5 hours later.
So right now, guys, we're going to be doing a sound comparison between the U-Boom and the ALTEC. So we picked up a song, you know, Wake Me Up, When September Ends by Green Day, and Eugene's going to start off with his speaker.
Alright, so we're going to test the maximum volume of this speaker and also the sound quality. Let's start with the maximum volume.
Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never.
Okay, so keep in mind between the two sound comparisons, the U-Boom is a surround 360 speaker and the ALTEC is a directional. So depending on what you want, they'll sound a bit different. So now it's onto the ALTEC, full volume.
Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last.
So both speakers sound pretty good at max volume. The U-Boom, of course, sounds a lot fuller, but then again, it's a 360 speaker, and the ALTEC, though a lot quieter compared to the U-Boom, still sounds good and does not sound distorted at max volume.
Alright, so the UE Blast has some pretty good pros. First of all, it's 360 surround sound, and also comes with a wireless charging dock that supports wireless charging to the speaker, and also that it has Alexa capabilities and internet connection. But the one con I would say about the speaker is it does not have a physical track switch button, so you have to switch tracks on your phone.
Now onto the ALTEC. This is personally my favorite speaker. Some pros that I really enjoy is that it physically floats in water. So when it does go into the ocean or in the pool, then it's easily found, and it also can still play music while it's floating. Another thing I really enjoy is the top part here that you can see actually supports wireless charging for all Android, Apple, and the new AirPod devices. Another is the speaker, as well as the wireless charging, also has an extra USB slot out that can be used for any of your other products that are with you with the USB. The one con is the speaker is definitely meant for the outdoors, as you can tell by its very rugged rubber paddings on the outside, and it doesn't really look like it would belong to something in a room. Another thing I don't really enjoy is the actual gauge for the sound is a bit extreme. So,
Go on.
anyway, okay. So when it's really quiet on very low volume, you barely even hear it, and then when it's really loud, your phone's only at half volume. So we're outside of our dorm because we're at boarding school, and we're gonna do a drop test onto the lawn in front of our dorm, which is grass and dirt.
Alright, so I'm gonna start first. Alright, so you can see that except for some dirt going into the speaker, there's nothing wrong with it. Nothing has broken. This is a pretty sturdy built speaker.
Now we're on to the ALTEC life jacket. Joel, so here we go. Held up beautifully. Of course, there's some dirt in the little speaker grill, but that can easily come off with some water. Everything else held up really well because of the plastic covering that it does have around it. Yeah. Held up a lot better than the U-boom. Even though Eugene said that was a weight test, it was not, because that doesn't show weight at all. It was an aerodynamics test, because that's super important in speakers.
Yes, so clearly this speaker has the better aerodynamics out of the two.
But this one hit the ground first.
Look, idiot, that's why he has a better. Bruh.
So, with the drop test and every other test, pros and cons, the best speaker here is really depending on what you want. If you want a total outdoor speaker, the ALTEC's the way to go. It's super durable, the battery life is great, and it even has accessibility to charge your other devices, opposed to the U-boom, which it looks a lot nicer. It doesn't have the full outdoor look that the ALTEC has, but it also has 360 sound opposed to the directional in the ALTEC. So if you want something that looks still pretty nice and modern, but can still be used in your dorm, in your house, and outdoor, then you want the U-boom. But if you want a outdoor speaker that's able to last on the outdoors, whatever you put it through, then the ALTEC's the way to go.
Yeah, for $100, you really can't go wrong with any of these speakers. These are both pretty great speakers for outdoor use,
So that's it for the WCJ Tech review. We will try to post at least once a week. We hope that you guys subscribe, maybe like, and share this with your friends.
You just fart.
redo that.